The School of Medicine Digital Education Group is proud to introduce our new eHub, the home of innovation in digital medical education. But what do we mean exactly by digital education? Well, we know that this involves innovations in teaching and learning, specifically through the use of various technologies and platforms that aim to enhance the student learning experience. And we do so through the application of evidence-based educational practices. The new eHub will also be home to international collaborations with partner institutions with whom we will be working to develop joint e-learning resources. One example is the medical school at St. George's University in Grenada, with whom we're currently collaborating in developing joint immersive and interactive e-resources for our students. These e-resources will involve decision tree algorithms and machine learning in developing resources that will enhance and assess our students' clinical reasoning and communication skills. We're also working with colleagues at the University of Cape Town's Department of Medicine in South Africa to develop similar interactive, immersive, and engaging e-resources for our students at both institutions. The eHub will also focus on internal collaborations with colleagues from other schools and other programs of study. We have worked with colleagues on the intercalated BSc in Genomic Medicine to develop e-resources for students on that program. And we're currently also working with the School of Computer Science and our university's National Software Academy in developing e-resources for students and for colleagues. Our student collaborations are key to our success. We have a very active group of students who serve as our student digital education reps, who also work alongside staff in developing e-resources for students led by students. We will also be home to innovations in blended learning and provide staff with support on how to apply such approaches to their teaching practice. For instance, we will help with how to go about creating engaging pre-recorded sessions and how these can be built upon in Q&A sessions that can be hosted in person, creating a more engaging and interactive in-person experience for our students. E-learning resources can also accompany the flipped classroom approach to provide a truly holistic experience for students. There are many different ways in which blended learning can be applied. The flipped classroom is one such example, but there are other ways of doing this as well. For instance, a variety of different types of e-resources can be created to support learning outcomes and to align with lectures and more formal teaching sessions. We are currently also creating an e-bank of our e-learning resources that have been developed not only on the undergraduate medical program, but across all programs within the School of Medicine, including postgraduate taught programs. We are lucky to have really sophisticated e-resources for our students that aim to enhance the student learning experience and provide a high quality and a high standard of teaching across the board. We thank you for your time, and please do stay in touch as we aim to further develop the eHub in order to meet the needs of all students and all staff within the School of Medicine, and to create further international collaborations with colleagues around the world as we aim to provide support for students and staff within the School of Medicine, as well as making our resources available to medical students and students in healthcare line professions throughout the UK and beyond.